Hi students and good morning to all students. Now today we are going to see our new lesson. The block number 14. Which number? Block number 14. Subject is EVS. Yes. Creepy birds. Yes. Creepy birds. Now today we are in our surrounding. There are many kinds of land animals as well as birds. Yes. You know, you can see our surrounding dogs, cat, when you are going to zoo, you can see many more animals like elephant, tiger. What are they? They are land animals. And in that, birds also come. Yes. So in land animals, there are tiger, lion, elephant, cheetah, horses. These all are what? Land animals. And the fish, seal, frog, crocodile, and other animals. They are called water animals. Yes, you understood. Now then, after that, in that wild animals, what are there? Tiger and lion and other animals are there. This is water animals. Fish, seal, starfish. These are the water animals. Then after that, pet animals. Yes. We have seen like dog, cat, horse, pig. These are the, pig not, dog, cat, horse and other animals are there. These are the pet animals. Yes, you can understand now, land animals, water animals and pet animals. Yes, so today we are also going to see about, today we will recognize the birds we see around us. What we will recognize? We will see the birds around us. Yes. So we will continue to our lesson. Okay, students. Now in our surrounding, there are many kinds of birds like pigeon, parrot, and other like cuckoo. These are the birds. But some birds are like they can. There is very common in that they can fly. They have beak. They have feathers. Yes, they have eyes, they have calls. So these all animal, these all in every bird it is common. So in our surrounding, what are the common birds? We will see in the lesson. Okay, I will show you first the birds. Now see here, students, you can see. Yes, these are the birds. Yes, in this, what it is there first? Parrot. What it is? Parrot, pigeon, woodpecker, cuckoo, robin, sparrow, crow, peacock, hawks, bald eagle, raven, swallows, then dove, owl, hummingbirds, finch, frigate bird, sandpiper, yes, pelconiformes, turkey, flamingo, goose, swan, stork, pigeon, penguin, tern, eagles and hornbills. These are the birds. So in this, see students, we see the birds of different size and colors. In this, what we see? We see the birds of different kinds and colors. So all birds have two legs, beak and wings. Yes. In this, what we can see? All the birds have two legs and beak and wings. Yes. Most of the birds can fly. In this, what we can see? Most of the birds can fly. Some birds like ostrich. Yes, some birds like ostrich. They have the long leg. Yes. In this, what we can see? Ostrich birds are there. So in this, what we can see that the birds have the very large leg. Yes. So other are small birds. Other we can see the small birds. Yes. You can see this picture. Yes. So birds like owl. Yes, birds like owl stay awake at night. Yes, this is the owl. It can stay it awake at night. Some birds such as duck like to swim. Some like duck are there. Yes, they can swim. So students, you can understand this lesson. What? These are the common birds. These are the common birds. Yes. In this, see, pigeon is there. In this which? Pigeon. Yes. Pigeon bird is there. It is grey in color. Yes. It is grey in color and some blackish color is there in there. Yes. You can see. This is the pigeon. Sorry. Wait, I will show you. You can see this picture. This is a pigeon. Yes. This is a pigeon. So in this grey color is there, some greenish color, some black color is there in this. Yes, it has two legs, it has feathers, it has a beak, it has eyes, it has claws. Yes, you can see. See, these are also the common birds. Like this is a pigeons. This is the types of pigeons. Some are white, some are grey in color, some are little bit colorful. Yes, you can see. Yes, in this also students you can see here. Yes, these are parrots. Yes, they are also colorful. Yes, this is green in color, the beak is red, there is some black color. Here also fully red color, yellow, blue. Yes, you can see. This is green. Yes, you can see these birds. They are very colorful. This is also the colorful bird. Yes, these are all parrots. You can see these are all parrots. Yes. So students, in this lesson what we have seen, there are many types of birds around us. They are called common birds. Yes, and some can fly, some cannot fly. Like pigeon is, like penguin is there. It has feathers, but it cannot fly. Then peacock. Peacock also cannot fly. It has also two legs. It has two legs, beak, eyes. Yes, and feathers. It also have, but they cannot fly. Okay, students. If you have any doubt in this lesson, you can ask me in the chat box. Yes. So today we have recognized the birds around us. Okay. Thank you.